Well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you where the fuse box are located of a Ford Transit Custom 2019 building year. This one comes from 2019 till 2023, if I remember correctly. And in this short video I'm going to show you where the fuse boxes are located and the VIN, original VIN number is located of this car. Let's start right away. First of all, the first one is at the driver's side. You have to open this cap over here. When you open this cap, on the inside you'll see these little fuses over here. This one is on the driver's side. The second one is located under the hood. Just open this cap over here. You'll see that the fuses are located in the engine room. And I told you about the VIN number location. I had to search for the mod inspection of the annual mod inspection. This is located under behind the wheel over here, as you can see. That's the original VIN number you need to check for your mod inspection. That's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.